Okay, hi everyone. This is Olivia Ado, and this is my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. Those that subscribed yesterday, I'm really grateful. I really appreciate. Okay, if you want to see a video on how I did this makeup, just keep watching, and lots more will be coming. I have more videos coming. I do dance, I sing, I do just do a lot of fun things, so I would not disappoint you guys. Just keep subscribing, please keep subscribing, and click on the like button. You can also drop a comment on the comment section below if you want me to do anything you think you want to see from me. I will see it at the comment section. Thank you very much. I love you guys so much, so stay tuned. Okay, we'll be starting with the eyebrow. Then I'll be brushing the hair up a little bit. I don't have much hair though, so I'll be using my black eye pencil to create my brows. I'm going to be drawing my brow. Carefully do it so you won't make mistake. And I'm not doing a thick brow, I'm doing a very moderate brow. I'm going to use the brown to fill it in, fill it nicely so that your work will look good. So I'm going to fill that in. As you can see, that's the brow without concealing. Then next I'm going to be using my concealer. I'm going to just blend that in. Aside from the angle area, if you can see very well from the angle area. Now I'm going to take my time to blend that in. Blending is the key. Don't forget that. Always put that in mind. Blending is the key. Then I'm going to use my hand to blend that on top of my eyeball. Blend it in very well. Make sure it is looking good before you leave it. Then my upper brow, you can see the way I placed my brush, creating my shape of brows. Everybody has different shape of brows, so this is mine, so just gonna do that. Okay, this is my powder. I use my powder as a base on my eyeball, so I'm smudging it in. Just gonna smudge that in to make it look neutral and okay, because I'm not using an eyeshadow, so that's why. Then I am going to go straight to using my eyeliner. Straight up, I'm going to use my eyeliner and line my eye. Watch closely, but I'm still going to do a close video of how I put my eyeliner. I'm going to create a small wing liner, small wing that I'm going to do. I usually start from that place. I don't know about every people. So I'm using Pond as my face primer. Pond. I'm going to just rub it in. Usually I start with my face primer before I apply anything, but I just started and I forgot, so I just had to apply it at that point. So now I'm putting my foundation. I'm using LA Gel Full Coverage. That's the foundation I'm using. You don't want to put too much because you don't want your face to look like cake, if there's anything like that. So you be careful. And I use my beauty blender to blend that in. Some people would prefer using blending brush, but for me, I prefer beauty blender, so I'm just going to use that to blend it in. Make sure you blend well. You have to take your time. It's not something you rush. Okay, now this is my concealer. I use my concealer on my under my eye there. Forgetting the name right now. I just forgot it. But I place it there because I want to put my gel liner down, and I'm using my eye pencil to dip into my gel liner and draw my lower lid line. I prefer it that way. It's not a do or die affair. If your hand is not shaky, You can use anything you want to use, but I prefer using an eye pencil to do that. And why I'm using the gel liner, because it is very, very thick, and it pops out better than any other liner for me, so I use it instead. Then I use my left hand for my left eye, don't mind me. Okay, I'm gonna use Sasha Buttercup to bake my face. Okay, I'm gonna bake my face with Sasha Buttercup. I love using it. It's kind of yellow in color. I don't know, I just prefer Sasha Buttercup though. I don't know. Or I use Benai, and sometimes I use Morphe. But they're all good product though. So I'm going to bake my face, taking my time. I'm really taking my time because I'm doing a video. But if I am doing my own makeup, I'm always very fast. I'm going to use a face, for my contour I'm using that face definer, and that's Zaron. That's a very dark shade, so I'm just putting a little. You don't want to put too much at all. You don't want to put too much. I'm going to just blend that, contour my nose area, and I'm blending in nicely. Make sure you blend in well, blending in well, blending well, so you have a very good finished video. So that's just it. And so now I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kits. I love that product so much, so so I am so fond of their products. So I'm just going to use that on my cheekbone. I'm going to take my time to do that. You don't want to put too much though. I know many people like it because they want to glow, but if you know how to blend it, then fine. Then I'm using a brown lipstick. I want a nude lip, so I don't want something serious. That's why I'm using that. Just gonna do that, and I'm going to use a glossy lip. I'm going to use a glossy lip, so I'm just going to use my lip gloss on top of it to make it nice and beautiful. Yep. So guys, I want to say a very big thank you to you guys for watching my video and subscribing. You guys have been great. I really appreciate, and I'll be doing more beautiful stuff, entertaining. So please just stay tuned. I love you guys. Bye bye.